Hello and very good evening. This is an exclusive show on behalf of Pepper Content and all the amazing content creators who are on panel. Let me invite all of you officially. It's a pleasure to host and have a conversation with MX Takatak's exceptional sensation. She has n number of followers, as I can say. She has been creating amazing dance-oriented content and many cinematics at the same time, fashion content. Let's welcome Ms. Nidhi Pasi, if I'm pronouncing it right. And let's give it a clap.
Thank
No
you. Thank you
problem,
so
Rahul
much.
Jain.
I'm so glad to be here.
So glad. And moving on to our next guest on the podium, let's invite Rugiz Vinny, who is another exceptional content creator in fashion and dance for all her reels that you can see on MX Takatak, on Instagram, and many more platforms. It's an honor to invite you, Rugiz.
Thank you for having me. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Also, we have someone who has a very delicate and nice conversation with each and everyone who is a part of his audience. Very good with comedy and very good with his scripts. Let's invite Mr. Chetan Monga on the platform. Chetan, a very good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Very good.
Thank you. And last but not the least, but the craziest, let's welcome Dushant Kukreja.
थैंक यू बोलो
I think there's some network issue.
Lost connection.
Yeah. But meanwhile, thank you so much, all the audience, for joining. We can read your comments in the chats next to our screen. So glad to see you all on the live. Thank you so much for coming. And
Yeah,
hope to have like a very lovely conversation with each and every one of you.
yeah he's back now
Yeah, I don't know what glitch I was facing, but yeah, I'm all set. I'm ready. So thank you so much, Dushant, for being a part. As I was about to mention, Dushant is another crazy content creator. He has a great comic sense, great comedy concept, and a good amount of fan following, almost reaching 1 million followers on Instagram, I believe. So Dushant, it's a pleasure to host you.
thank you brother thank you very much
Before I speak something, because I'll be hosting you, I'll be having a healthy conversation. I tried my best to introduce you. I would now invite Nidhi to tell us something about herself.
Okay. So, hi everybody. My name is Nidhi Pasi, and I am born and brought up in a small town called Lonavla, which is between Pune and Mumbai. So, yeah, I am a fashion content creator, a dance content creator, beauty, travel. So, basically, I'm somebody who doesn't like to limit herself. I love to explore new things and I love new challenges. That is why, I keep trying different things. And as we go along in the conversation, you will get to know a lot about me. So, stay tuned. Okay, I think he's disappeared again.
Yeah. There are some glitches he's facing actually.
But it's so good to see you guys on the live.
Yeah,
I
hi
am
everybody.
here for the first time.
Yeah.
Pepper Content is hosting a live where we can meet each other. It's so good. Otherwise, we wouldn't know when we would get a chance to interact like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously. I think we should introduce ourselves. Like we should start introducing ourselves.
Yeah, I think we can go ahead.
Yeah, Chetan, come on, tell us about yourself.
So, I am Mr. Chetan Monga from a very small town. आपने सुना भी नहीं होगा actually.
कहाँ
Actually,
से?
do you know Mr. Mashur Gulati? Sunil Grover.
Yeah.
Yeah,
सुनील ग्रोवर
yes,
Sunil Grover.
he's from my town. My hometown is Mandi Dabwali, जो बठिंडा के नजदीक है, बठिंडा पंजाब के. So मैं
अच्छा,
वहाँ से हूँ.
okay.
हाँ जी. So starting मैंने कैसे की थी? Start from the very start. Actually, I'm a dance choreographer and I'm a dancer. So पहले ये था कि डांसर बनना है, डांस choreographer बनना है, मुंबई जाना है. बट थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा होता है ना कि घर वाले मतलब ये है कि हमारा बेटा हमारे घर पे रहे तो घर पे रह के कुछ भी कर बाहर नहीं जाना तो उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स आए काफी सारे मेरे पास मेरा स्टूडियो था खुद का डांस स्टूडियो सो वहाँ पे आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग कॉमेडी वीडियोस देयर सो स्टार्टिंग से ही मेरा 90% ऑफ माय कंटेंट इज इन माय ओरिजिनल वॉइस तो ओरिजिनल कंटेंट
Yeah.
सो उसके बाद मैंने ओरिजिनल कंटेंट बनाना स्टार्ट किया, तो उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे वीडियोस वायरल होती गई, एंड आई एम हियर विद यू ऑल, सो एक्साइटेड टू
You know what has happened, I myself being a speaker, and many people in our associate partnerships are joining using the same link, because of which iRemit was showing a glitch. So I'm really sorry. I'm again connecting with you guys.
So
I missed out some. Yeah, Ruhi, starting with you.
yeah, actually Chetan was introducing himself, so now like it's my turn.
Please,
So hi
please.
guys, hi everybody. So a lot of people don't know that my full actual name is Viniti Rugis, and the name that I use for my social media platforms is Rugis Vinny. So my actual name is Viniti Rugis, and I live in Haridwar. A lot of people still think that I live in Mumbai or Delhi. No, I live in Haridwar. मैं यहीं से काम करती हूँ. And like a lot of, I think everybody knows about the Both Heart video that got viral 2 to 3 years ago. Me
Yeah,
and
recently
Garima.
we saw a Netflix series also on the House of Secrets, based on the same.
Oh, so that was a video that got viral और फिर वहीं से मेरी content creating की journey start हुई. That's how it all started. Me and Garima we both started creating videos on TikTok. I started with TikTok, then it went to Instagram, Snapchat, and now I'm like active everywhere except for the YouTube. I'll start YouTube very soon. So now, but I think I wanted to shift to Mumbai, but lockdown got it all trashed up. But now, so sorry guys, sorry.
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. You're audible.
So guys, this is how it all started. Now I'm looking forward to creating more and more content for you guys. Hopefully I can create the best content for you all people, and you all hopefully will enjoy that.
I surely will, and so will all the co-participants for this conversation.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rugis. If I'm not wrong, Rugis Vinita. And
Rugis Viniti.
let's move on. Viniti.
It's not ta.
Sorry.
It's T. It's okay.
Okay, I just changed the gender, I believe. So, Dushyant ji, अब आपसे know something about yourself.
So, मेरा नाम दुष्यंत कुकड़ेजा है, मैं हरियाणा हिसार से हूँ और मैंने अपनी शुरुआत टिकटॉक से करी थी जब टिकटॉक आया था. उसके बाद मैं टिकटॉक पे वायरल तब हुआ था जब थोड़ा कंटेंट मैंने जेठालाल और दया मतलब तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा पे कंटेंट बनाया था अपनी सिस्टर के साथ.
क्या बात है.
तो वहां से मतलब वो एज अ लिपसिंग था, तो मैंने वो स्टार्ट किया. फिर जब टिकटॉक बैन हुआ मैं इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पर आया, फिर मैंने रील्स शुरू से स्टार्ट किया. वहां पे तो फॉलोइंग थी नहीं, और 2000 से आज 900K पे पहुंचा मैं रील्स पर. फिर जब MX आया मैंने MX ज्वाइन किया. फिर मैंने यूट्यूब स्टार्ट किया. यूट्यूब पर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला और यूट्यूब पर मैंने अपना ओरिजिनल कंटेंट बनाया और उसकी वजह से आज 5 मिलियन हुई यूट्यूब पर. तो यूट्यूब जो है वो अभी तक मेरे सपोर्टिंग है. सबसे अच्छा लग रहा है यूट्यूब पर. अब मेरे को यूट्यूब एज अ यूट्यूबर रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाता है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.
So you have as a YouTuber, people recognize you. Ruhi ji and Nidhi ji ko people recognize for their MX Takata content and Instagram reels. Chetan ji again is an influencer on the same platform. So I'm so glad कि आप लोगों ने इतने young age में इतने अच्छे platforms को already अपनाया. You guys already went and took opportunities in your hands. So once again, let me invite you officially at Paper Content's exclusive show. And I am Gaurav Sipani. I'll just give you precise about myself. I'll be the host for the evening. I'll be having a healthy conversation. कुछ question answers करेंगे, आपके बारे में जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. That is what I'll be doing. So I am Ruburu Mr. India 2019 finalist. I'm official host for Mr. India for all the seasons now. I have appeared on Aspect, and I am an investment banker. I'm sitting at my office right now. Plus, to know something more, I am starting with a company of my own. I already organize fashion shows. I am also starting fitness and fashion company online across India and globe soon. So I'm glad that I can connect with you guys, and I'm surely going to follow each and every one and have a good conversation on Instagram as well. So let me just give you a precise elaboration of why are we guys over here. And कुछ चीजें बताऊंगा that you guys have already captured and capitalized on, but everyone else who is a big fan of you, they want to be the same like you. There's a reason why. So, every social media channel is incorporating something good. They have been making 30-second time span, 1 minute time span for your real content to showcase your ideas, maybe in terms of fashion, cinematic videos, dance, comedy, acting skills, and some are based on knowledge application based things as well. This has been on numerous platforms right now. MX topic. YouTube has always been a part of this journey, and Instagram is where our heart and soul is all associated with. Very power packed and boring content has been converted into non-boring content and super power packed content with a shorter time span. Now we can make reels of 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. 1 minute is the new addition which Instagram has made, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yes.
This has encouraged all the applications to fray even more things into different regions. As Mr. Dushyant specifically mentioned, he's from Haryana. Many people who are in Nagaland, many people who are in Assam, Jammu and Kashmir. We have Kathmandu in the Nepal area who are also a part of India now, and many regions, many states who are a part of this. It has democratized the nature of user-generated and short-form channels. Was ever decreasing attention into a more interesting attention towards the shortest reels which we are seeing on platform, and how these platforms are nurturing creators to make more crazy content and at the same time monetizing. Many people are monetizing using the same, and this is a whole-time career as well, a full-time career as well for many people right now. And the downside of the short form content creation has been corrected using such platforms, and future trends and sustainability of getting to know more ideas about what to do for a specific individual is encouraged. इतनी सारी चीजें ये platforms cover कर रही हैं. You guys are doing some crazy content. So now I want to ask some questions and get to know something about your journey from where you started till where you have reached. And what all are your plans in the coming future, in the near future? So, being a host, it's my duty. Are you guys excited for this?
Super
Yes.
excited.
Yes,
So
yes.
excited.
I want some noise. Are you guys excited for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are excited.
Here we go. And let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah,
so
let's
पहला
do
question
this.
में, I would like to ask someone who is appearing there very first on my screen. Let's start the question. Let me have a good conversation with Nidhi Pasi. And I need everyone's equivalent interaction. अगर किसी को लगता है उनका point of view वो share करें, if they want to interrupt, you can just say or raise your hand using the feature, and I would ask that person to have a conversation and give their point of view. All good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Elevate, the ultimate global summit, content summit for the year 2021 by Paper Content, and stage 1 content creation. And my very first question for Nidhi Pasi, KBC wali feel mat lana. I am not going to give you anything from my pocket. But if Paper Content is interested, you can win iPhone 13 Pro. अगर वो दे सके आपको. So just kidding. So
Yeah.
Nidhi, the very first question for you is, how did your journey begin? And how has your journey been so far as a content creator?
Okay, so I'll be very honest. This was my passion. Okay, not just saying for the sake of saying it. There was a time when I didn't pursue this as my career. I used to do it for fun. So I'm somebody who loves to travel, who loves to dress up, take pictures, take videos. So that is how it started initially, and I didn't do it as my job. I did it as something I liked, and fortunately or unfortunately, I must say that lockdown was a blessing for me, because that was the time when I pursued this as a career. So yeah, I mean, there was nothing to do, so I was like that. I do this for my passion. Let's do it something for the world. Because everybody sitting at home, social media was at a boom that time. So that is how my career started, and I started making videos. I started making fashion videos, dance videos. Like, we are three sisters, so I collaborated with my sisters, and the videos were appreciated a lot.
Wow.
And that is how my journey started. And then I was on TikTok before this, and like I said, that it wasn't my job. I was doing it just because I love doing that. So yeah, in lockdown, Takatak contacted me, and they said that we really like your
Wow.
content, and we would like to have you on the platform. And that is how my journey started. And touchwood, it's going amazing, and I hope that it goes great further also.
So, Nidhi, let's go to the flashback. Let's recollect all your memories. Can you just tell us what was your very first content that you made on MX Takatak on Instagram? If you have a lot of followers, and I'm really glad that you could reach such a good platform right now. So, what is the very first content you made?
So I think it was lockdown, like I said, and that was the
Ji,
time
ji.
when before that TikTok got banned, and reels came up.
Right.
So before, slightly somewhere before lockdown, and since I said that I live in Lonavala, यहाँ पे lockdown restrictions इतने ज़्यादा नहीं थे initially. So I went for a drive with my friends, and so I am all about being real and showing my followers who I am and what I love doing. So that is why I don't stick to
Right.
any one category. I just show myself as I am. So my very first video, if I can recall, was that I went on a drive, and it was like a very beautiful location. I don't know if you guys know Lonavala. It's like full of greenery.
See, I'm
and
from Pune. I stay in
Oh,
Pune, so I know
great.
each and every place in Lonavala.
Yeah,
Please,
so you must be
you
knowing
can
you
move.
must be knowing Lions Point ka rasta, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Puri khai hai. It's a
Yeah.
ghat that you want to go. Yeah.
Right. So I just went there. I took out my phone, and I was like, you know what? It looks amazing. Let's just shoot something here. Since reel आया है, तो कुछ डाल देते हैं. So that was my very first video on Instagram. And I don't remember Takatak पे मेरा first video क्या था, but I can tell you, initial days में I posted one video. It was a hashtag challenge, which went very viral, and I got around 134,
Great.
137 million views on that. So yeah.
Wow. Incredible. Hats off, yeah. And Lonavala helped you, Tiger Point, Lions Point
Yeah.
specifically helped you to the Maggie that they serve on the very
Maggie
downstairs
Point.
of that hill.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah. I'm a big Maggie lover.
Great, Anidhi. So are we, guys. I hope Nestle sponsors us very soon for all the content we make. And just adding something, I would like to ask something to Dushyant. Dushyant, since Nidhi mentioned certain things about content creation as a vibe for her, which inspired her to make more and more content using such platforms. आपके लिए क्या ये एक full time career है? And how did you really realize that this is a full time career? What is the moment when you realized it is a full time career for you?
फुल टाइम करियर की बात करूँ तो मेरे को तो ज़रूर लगता है कि फुल टाइम करियर हो सकता है, बिकॉज जो हम मूवीज़ देखते हैं वहाँ से भी एक्टर्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल नेहा कक्कड़ जी एंड वो जैकलिन फर्नांडिस, मैंने बहुत सारे हीरोज देखे हैं जो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आना चाहते हैं. मेरे को लगता है उनके विजन में भी ये बात है कि वो ये देखते हैं कि ये जो इंडस्ट्री है, ये इन्फ्लुएंसर से इंडस्ट्रीज है, ये बूम पर जाने वाली है आने वाले टाइम में 5-10 साल में. और 5-10 साल तो इतना बूम रहेगा इसका कि और कुछ शायद चलेगा ही नहीं. तो मेरा विजन यही है कि इसमें हम एज अ करियर इसको हम देख सकते हैं. इज ही अवेलेबल नाउ? हाय ब्रो.
Yeah, I'm available.
सो आई वाज सेइंग कि ये मेरे को
yeah.
लगता है कि ये बूम पर जा सकती है ये इंडस्ट्री. सो मेरे को लगता है ये एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर वी कैन.
आप जैसे लोग अगर है तो बूम क्या, ये तो यार स्काई रॉकेटिंग होने वाली है.
हाँ जी. सो मैंने
nice.
यही कहा. हाँ जी.
प्लीज बोलिए. आई एम लिसनिंग.
सो आपका क्वेश्चन ये था ना कि आप एज अ इसको करियर आप देख सकते हो या नहीं. तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे को लगता है कि वी कैन गो अहेड
विद दिस.
यस.
Great, yeah, Dishant. I'm so glad that you realize something that not many of them opt for very soon. और आपने realize किया, इसे अपनाया as a full-time career, and you're enjoying it. It being a passion, and now being a profession, and you're monetizing it. It's a secret sauce that you have, and I would like to know more about it in future. But Rugees, जिनका नाम मैंने विनीति की जगह विनीता बोला तो उसके लिए मैं apologize करता हूँ. And I would now like to ask you something, Rugees. Uh, Firstly, Rugees, you have
Yes,
a very
yes.
nice smile.
Go ahead.
I can see
Thank you.
why people fall for you. I just wanted to know something ahead of this, ahead of what I was asking Nidhi and Dushyant. What's your favorite thing about being a content that you are making? What is the favorite most thing that you have in that?
My favorite part is like I can be versatile. I can create anything from dance, acting, comedy. I can do anything, whatever I want to do. The best part of content creation is I think that is the best thing. I guess it सब agree करते होंगे कि the job we are doing is not at all boring. हमारे पास इतना कुछ है करने को. We have lots of things. We have lots of content to
Right.
create. बहुत कुछ है हमारे पास. So I think that is the best part of being a content creator. That's what I feel. I can dance, I can act, I can sing, I can do whatever I want to do.
एक अच्छी
What
बात
kind of video? Yeah, please बोलिए ना.
एक अच्छी बात ये भी है कि हम में एक स्पेशल क्वालिटी तो है ही, तो हम दूसरे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को देखकर, फॉर एग्जांपल रुगस्विनी डांस अच्छा करती है तो मैं इसको देखकर डांस स्टार्ट करूं ताकि मैं भी इंप्रूव करूं. चेतन कॉमेडी अच्छा करता है ओरिजिनल वॉइस में, तो मैं भी ओरिजिनल वॉइस का करूं अपना, मैं भी ओरिजिनल वॉइस में बनाऊं. फॉर एग्जांपल पहले मैं लिप सिंक करता था, मैं मिक्स टाइप कर रहा हूं कंटेंट को, तो मैं खुद भी एज अ अपने आप को डाइवर्स करूं कि हर फील्ड में हमारा नाम हो सके.
Yes, this field is so vast, so diverse. Like कोई limit ही नहीं. It's endless. You can do whatever you want.
सबसे बड़ी बात इस चीज की ये है कि इस फील्ड की है कि लाइक बहुत सारे लोग हैं कि यार ऑडिशंस देने जाना है, लाइनों में लगना है, अपना टैलेंट शो करना है, उसके बाद भी कुछ नहीं बन रहा. बहुत लाइक सबसे मेन बात मेरे को इस फील्ड की ये लगती है कि इट्स सोशल मीडिया. लाइक अगर आप में कोई टैलेंट है तो कोई भी गांव से, कोई भी छोटे से शहर से कोई भी उठ के आगे आ सकता है. और बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं इसके कि मैंने बहुत सारे लोग देखे हैं जो वायरल हो गए हैं. लाइक बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे सिटीज से आए हैं वो उठ के और आज उनका इतना नाम है. तो मतलब बहुत सारी मोटिवेशन भी मिलती है उन लोगों को देख के कि यार वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपनी चीज में.
मेरा क्वेश्चन अगला यही था and you can elaborate more about Chetan. You can elaborate more about what I'll ask, adding to what you have said. I just wanted to know what are the challenges that has come across of you being a creator.
So may I proceed?
Yeah, Chetan, it's for you. Just adding to something, one challenge as you said, it's being from a small town or standing in lines for getting something that you are not able to achieve. What are further more challenges that you faced or any content creator faces according to you across on this journey?
Okay, so the biggest challenge a creator face is how to be unique. Like बहुत सारे creators हैं, like thousands of creators यार. So आप अपने आप को कैसे यूनिक कैसे दिखा सकते हो? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ ट्रेंडिंग आ गया मार्केट में नया, ठीक है. सो अब लोगों को एक उम्मीद है कि हाँ ये ट्रेंड अगर चेतन बनाएगा तो इसमें अलग क्या करेगा चेतन. दुनिया ट्रेंड फॉलो कर रही है, ठीक है, आप ट्रेंड कर रहे हो, नो डाउट. हर कोई मतलब ये है कि कई लोग होते हैं जो ट्रेंड करते हैं, कई लोग होते हैं जो ट्रेंड फॉलो करते हैं. सो एक क्रिएटर को दोनों चीजों में बैलेंस बना के रखना पड़ता है कि सबसे पहली बात कि आप में एक वो एक्स फैक्टर क्या है किसी चीज को भी लेके. जैसे आई मेक कॉमेडी, ठीक है, तो मतलब मैं कोई ट्रेंड आता है तो मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोस ऑफ माइन इज लाइक मैं ट्रेंड को ना थोड़ा बर्स्ट कर देता हूँ. कोई ट्रेंड है तो मैं उसको उल्टा बना देता हूँ सो दैट लोगों को ना वो मेरा एक्स फैक्टर दिखे कि हाँ यार चेतन ने ये ट्रेंड बनाया तो इसमें ना इसने कुछ उल्टा ही किया होगा, कुछ ट्रेंड का अपोजिट बनाया होगा. तो ऑटोमेटिकली वॉच टाइम भी आता है, लोग एंड तक देखते हैं वीडियो कि यार ये कुछ अलग करेगा, कुछ अलग करेगा. तो जो ये चीज है ना कि ये कुछ अलग करेगा, ये एक बहुत आगे ले जाती है कि मतलब एक जो ना
इमेज
प्रेशर, पीयर प्रेशर.
बिल्कुल.
Yes, I think this is the most even I also think that is the most stressful thing that I face as a content creator. Being unique, creating something unique, being always unique. That is the most stressful thing of being a content creator.
बिल्कुल
Like
बिल्कुल
you can't cheat, you can't copy, you can't नया लेकर आओ मार्केट में something new, something new.
The pressure is always on the head. But you guys, I hats off to you, salute to you that you always come with something fresh out of the box, and that's the reason you are a part of this global summit. And I believe there are many more things that you would like to share. बट मेरे क्वेश्चन का एक जरिया है जो आपसे आपके बारे में और जानने की कोशिश करेगा. नाउ इफ यू नो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो समथिंग एल्स दैट आप चारों शायद एमएक्स टकाटक पे हैं. इफ आई एम मिसिंग समवन एल्स, आप लोग चारों ने एमएक्स टकाटक पे अपने कंटेंट बनाए, राइट?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So individually in a line or so, firstly I'll start with Dushyant. Dushyant, I wanted to know what has been your journey with MX Takatak so far. एक कोई एडजेक्टिव या एक लाइन में आप बता सके तो.
आपकी आवाज लैग हो गई थी, एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
Okay. If I repeat, क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, yes.
So Dushyant, I wanted to know in a line or so, how have your journey been with MX Takatak so far?
So जब MX आया था तब मैंने MX स्टार्ट किया. शुरुआत में वो वीडियोस जो मैं बनाया करता था वैसी वीडियोस नहीं चली. MX पे ज्यादातर वीडियोस वो चलती हैं जो लोग डाउनलोड करके अपना स्टेटस लगाते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मेरे को कोई वीडियो बनानी है, उसमें मैसेज होगा तो मेरे को लगता है कि वो वीडियो पक्का वायरल होगी MX पर. और जैसे जो रील्स टाइप कंटेंट है, फॉर एग्जांपल हम एक अपने दोस्तों को टैग कर रहे हैं, हम अपने दोस्तों के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, तो लोग वहां पर एक दूसरे को टैग करते हैं. वो एक ऐसा मैसेजिंग ऐप है. सो वो कंटेंट थोड़ा यहाँ पर नहीं चला और इसके लिए अलग कंटेंट बनाना पड़ा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक फीचर है कि हम एक वीडियो को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और हम स्टेटस पे लगा सकते हैं. तो मैंने ये नोट किया कि जो भी वीडियो मैंने देखी है वायरल हुई है, वहां पर शेयर उसके बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. वॉच टाइम सेकंड नंबर पे प्रायोरिटी है वॉच टाइम की, फर्स्ट नंबर पे शेयर. तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसा शेयर कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए MX पर तो वो वायरल हो. तो उसी टाइप से
जो कैची हो जाए, हर घर में चले और आप बहुत कॉमन फेस बन जाए. दैट इज व्हाट द माइंडसेट इज यू आर कैरिंग, राइट?
Yeah.
Adding something to this, Nidhi, what is the corresponding platform that you use for promoting your MX Takatak content?
I think as of now, I just use I'm saying YouTube. I use Instagram, and they're on YouTube.
Okay.
But I recently started my channel, so I'm not, that user friendly with YouTube as of now. But yeah, Instagram it is, and I don't think I have tried any other short video platform because after TikTok, MX Takatak was the first platform that I came on, and I just instantly fell in love with the platform, and I didn't feel like going on any other platform. So for
So
cross
you found it
promotions,
user friendly.
yeah, for cross promotions, I use Instagram.
That's nice, and that's the beauty of all the platforms, that these are interconnected. And adding something to this, Chetan, आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहूंगा कि how is MX Takatak helping you personally for promoting and creating more creative content?
ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से कि MX पर आने का सबसे जो मुझे फायदा रहा है वो ये रहा है कि अब तक मैंने बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स को, लाइक होता है ना कि हम एक दूसरे को फोन पे देखते हैं तो बट वो हमें जानता है, हम उसको जानते हैं, बट कभी बात नहीं हुई. तो कोलैबोरेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज मुझे MX से बहुत मिली हैं कि लाइक मैंने बहुत इवेंट्स किए हैं MX टकाटक के, बहुत सारी नई जैसे लोनावला में भी मैं आया हूँ, तो वहाँ पे भी हमारा MX का इवेंट था, तो वहाँ पे भी क्रिएटर्स कोलैबोरेशंस थी. तो वहाँ पे मतलब सबसे मेन बात ये रही है कि मतलब हम एक दूसरे को फोन पे देखते थे, वो मतलब एक दूसरे की वीडियो देखते हैं, बट कभी बात नहीं हो पाई. बट वहाँ पे कोलैब करके जितने भी वहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स, मतलब सारे फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. तो कोलैबोरेशन इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन ग्रोइंग है. लाइक मतलब आप किसी के साथ कोलैब कर रहे हो, उसके फॉलोअर्स आपको देखेंगे जरूर, ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोफाइल विजिट्स बढ़ते हैं. तो कोलैबोरेशन से एक दूसरे को बहुत फायदा होता है. तो ये सबसे बड़ा मुझे फायदा लगा है MX से. और बस वही कि कंटेंट बनाते रहो, और मैंने कंटेंट बहुत बनाया है MX पे, और काफी अभी इट्स टाइम मेरे 20 मिलियन होने वाले हैं MX पे. तो
Wow.
बहुत फायदा रहा है मुझे.
Incredible, bravo. बहुत सही यार
I
चेतन
totally agree with Chetan because till the time I was not on Takatak, I never collaborated with anybody. But Takatak offers things like MX Studio where they specially call creators just to come together and shoot videos. And because of that, I came in contact with so many creators and I've collaborated with so many people. That was really helpful. I totally agree with Chetan.
Wow, Chetan, you kept a point which everyone is agreeing with. Now, I wanted to ask something in addition to what Nidhi said. Rugis,
Yeah.
what is the kind of opportunity that MX Takatak as a platform has offered you, you being a creator, and how did you made use of it to the best of you?
Earlier, it was TikTok where I used to create content. Then there was Instagram Reels came later, I guess. Yeah. So the platform that I got was MX Takatak, where I can make videos, I can shoot videos, I can create content. So it was Takatak through which after TikTok I started making videos. Otherwise, I wasn't making videos when TikTok was banned. So my passion continued because of MX Takatak. My craze for videos continued because of Takatak. So I guess it's all Takatak that I continued with my passion and I continued making videos. So it was all because of Takatak only.
बहुत टकाटक हो गई आप लोगों
Also,
की लाइफ ऐसा
Takatak
लग
have
रहा
lots of
है
hashtags. They have lots of hashtags to follow. Lots of crazy things are always going on Takatak. So like I always got a chance to like shoot something new, shoot something crazy because of Takatak. So it's all. They have
We are
challenges also. They have challenges also. So there is a lot of crazy things going on Takatak. So yeah.
So
here
I
because of MX Takatak.
जी
Yeah, we are here
yeah
because
you
of MX
are
Takatak.
110%. So आपने चैलेंज बोला तो चलिए मैं एक चैलेंज I'll just test you guys for one thing if you guys are ready for it. Just a small let's keep it amongst us five. आप लोगों ने I don't know but एक बहुत फेमस सीरीज थी बीच में स्क्विड गेम देखा है
Yeah,
हाँ अभी मैं देखूंगा मैंने
I
नाम बहुत
haven't
सुना
watched
है
it yet.
I've seen it.
मैंने सुना है बहुत नाम चैलेंजेस भी बहुत बन रहे हैं स्क्विड गेम पर
बहुत चल रहा है कि वो ऐसे पीछे जा रहे होते हैं और पीछे से वो
हाँ
Shoot
Red
credit.
light,
द
green
डॉल
light.
द डॉल
Red light,
रेड
green
लाइट एंड
light,
ग्रीन
देखना ही
लाइट
पड़ेगा
So, I'll just give you a challenge or task from my side as Pepper content that अगर possible है तो आप Squid Game का कोई content लेके अपना एक content बनाएं कोई भी एक गेम उठाए एंड कंटेंट बनाए I'll be glad to see it and I am very sure you can make it very creatively क्योंकि trending है it will help you and I'll be excited to see this.
I
Yeah,
think
sure.
that's a very fun challenge. I'm definitely going to take it
Yeah.
up, and
Yeah.
you'll see the video in a few days.
मैं आज ही
Yeah.
बनाऊंगा शाम को दोस्तों के साथ
आप पहले
Even
सीरीज
I'll try
देखिए आई
something.
सजेस्ट फिर आपको फील आएगा बनाने का आई एम वेरी श्योर
Yeah.
हाँ
Yeah.
कोई बात आज मैं उन्होंने दोस्तों ने देखा होगा उन्होंने तो देखा होगा उनसे पूछ लूंगा आइडियाज
The moment you said it, there are like ideas running in my mind. Okay, I can do this, I can do that. I'm so excited.
This is a general question which I would like to ask further. You guys all have noticed and witnessed within the span of these 2 years, I can say, the rapid most growth of short-term video content creation. So, how do you see this evolving ahead in future? These short-term platforms जो लोगों के दिल में, मन में और आंखों के सामने आते रहेंगे.
सो मैं बताता हूँ मैं इस पे बहुत ऑब्जर्वेशन की है कि पहले का टाइम था जब सिर्फ टेलीविजन होते थे हम टीवी में देखते
जी.
थे हम हीरो हीरोइंस जो फिल्म्स आ रही हैं सलमान खान की शाहरुख खान की आमिर खान की हमारे पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी कि हम अपनी मर्जी से क्या देखें जो टीवी पे आ रहा है हम वही देखेंगे या चैनल्स देखेंगे
Right.
दूसरे चैनल पे क्या आ रहा है
Right.
अब जब से जियो लॉन्च हुआ हमारे पास मोबाइल्स आए अच्छे टच स्क्रीन वाले तो तब से हमारे
जी.
पास इंटरनेट आया और तब से हमारे पास चॉइस आ गई कि अब हम अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी देख सकते हैं अब किड्स हैं वो अपना छोटा भीम अपने यूट्यूब पर देखते हैं जो पहले टीवी देखा करते थे और वो कभी भी देख सकते हैं सो इस चीज के बाद जब टिकटॉक आया तो पहले हम फोन ऐसे देखते थे ऐसे हो गए वो फोन हम पोर्ट्रेट मोड में सबको देखने लग गए तो ऐसे ही जब जब शॉर्ट वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म्स आए तब ऐसा बूम आया कि 1 मिनट का टाइम है और हमें फास्ट टू फास्ट एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए तो वो इतना अच्छा चला कि वो आज भी चल रहा है और हर जगह फेसबुक यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स MX टकाटक सब एक शॉर्ट वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म तो हो ही गए हैं, इवन ऑल्सो गाना हॉट शॉट्स ऑल्सो, जो एक मतलब म्यूजिक ऐप है। सो ऐसा एंटरटेनमेंट जो 1 मिनट के अंदर दे सके वो शॉर्ट वीडियो ऐप ही देख सकता है, और मेरे को लगता है इससे बेटर कोई अभी तक है।
I think I can add 2-3 points to this. So
Please, Nidhi.
what I have noticed with time, लोगों का ये attention span ना थोड़ा कम होते जा रहा है. So when they are on short video platforms, so they get content, quick content, good content, and they really like it. And another thing that I would like to add is that short video platform is already taking over the entire industry. Like if you see, people are coming to promote their movies, their songs, everything on short video platforms. They are collaborating with creators and everything. And if I can give you an example of Instagram, so there is a thing called IGTV. I'm sure everybody's aware about it. So people are coming up with short movies on IGTVs and everything. So it's just, there is so much of exposure, and I think it is really going to go very far, and it's going to be the next big thing.
Yeah.
Speaking about the next big thing, I would like to ask Chetan and Rugi specifically. See, these people already told about the short form video making process and what are the advantages and how adaptive it has become in the market in the current scenario. बहुत लोग अपने स्क्रीन पर देखना चाहते हैं, and you guys specifically mentioned about peer pressure. So जब peer pressure आता है आपके दिमाग में क्रिएटिव कंटेंट बनाने का एक जज्बा आता है, and your mind starts draining, बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं. So how do you plan? Suppose for example मुझे दिवाली पे कंटेंट बनाना है, मुझे मतलब चेतन को एंड रुगीस को. So how do you plan your content in advance, and how do you keep it as a record with yourself? What do you do?
Usually what happens with me is I get ideas around at 3 or 4 in the night. So what I do is I start writing. Yeah.
Are you an owl or something? That's so great.
Yeah. So what I do is I start writing them. Like mujhe idea hai, I'll do something around Diya. So I'll just write Diya. So like whenever I'm creating content, I'll just read that, and I'll get the ideas around that. So that's how it helps me. And watching other people's content also, it helps me. Watching series also helps me. Watching movies also helps me. So there's a lot of things, but still aapko sab kuch dekh ke, like you have to still grab something, and something of your own, something of your something unique that you can add into that. So that's how it works for me, and I don't know about others. That's how it works for me.
So Rugi, if I am waking up at 3 a.m., people will call me insomniac, and you are a businessman, business lady, I can say. That's so incredible. That's so nice.
No, I don't know. That's the time when I get ideas. I think everything is quiet, itni shanti hoti hai, and that's the time when my mind starts working, when everything is calm.
I think I can totally feel her, because it's the same with me. The most creative ideas I get is late in the night, and that's the most creative I am. So I can totally relate to you.
Yeah.
That's so great. That's so great. And out of your all your creativity, Chetan, a person like you or anyone else, आप लोगों ने break भी लिया होगा बहुत बार. You would have felt कि let's take a break from content creation. So what is the policy you use, or what is the secret sauce you use to recharge yourself by taking a break and coming back, bouncing back with all the energy?
So Gaurav, for me, मैं ये नहीं सोचूंगा कि मतलब कंटेंट क्रिएशन एक जॉब है. I'm not taking content creation as a job. कि मतलब you are like आप कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, और मतलब कोई भी ऐसी सिचुएशन है आपके आगे, आपके दिमाग में फट से कंटेंट आता है कि यार इस पे ये बन सकता है. तो सुटेबिलिटी और रिलेटेबिलिटी बहुत मैटर करती है कंटेंट बनाने में. तो सबसे मेन बात ये है कि अगर हम प्री प्लानिंग की बात करें, तो कोई भी कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए सबसे पहले प्री प्लानिंग बहुत जरूरी है. 2 टाइप के कंटेंट होते हैं. प्री प्लान कंटेंट जो हमें लाइक एक दिन पहले सोच के रखना पड़ता है कि आज कल ये बनाना है, ओके. एंड द सेकंड वन इज रिलेटेबल कंटेंट. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल कहीं हम सिचुएशन में हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम कैसे सूटेबल सिचुएशन के साथ हम कैसे रिलेटेबल कंटेंट बना सकते हैं, सो दैट पीपल कैन रिलेट विद द सिचुएशन एंड आवर कंटेंट. तो ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इफेक्ट करती है इस चीज़ से.
So आपने जो एक रिफ्रेशिंग मोमेंट्स अपने लाइफ में लिए हैं, आई अपलोड कि आप इतनी चीजें कर रहे हैं एंड many people are inspired from you guys. I have been having a good conversation with you, but everything has a time restriction. So is your video content. आपको 1 मिनट में बताना होता है, वैसे मुझे 45 मिनट्स में बहुत चीजें आपसे पूछनी है. But audience are very much interested to know many things about you. If you can see all the questions across on the panel, यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा question set रखा हुआ है आपके लिए. So what is the advice that you would like to give an aspiring content creator who looks up to you, who wants to be like you? I would like to ask this before we move towards the end of the conversation individually. क्या आप बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे viewers के लिए?
So,
We are here because of them only. हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं because of them only. It's their love and support जिसने हमें यहाँ पहुँचाया है. So like I'm out of words. I'm out of words. How can I thank them? So like it's all because of them only.
I would say that people who are, looking out for suggestions, like my one mantra is be yourself, be real, be who you are, do what you like. If you try to be like somebody else, you will not quite succeed. But when people should like you and appreciate you for who you are. So when you're yourself, you will just outshine everybody. That's the one thing that I can say.
So you should go with the trend, but at the same time use your own mindset, your own skill, your own identity to create a content. That's what you want to say.
That's the most important thing. I think that should be at the top. Like be yourself.
See, because if we say that everybody should create trends and nobody should follow, then वो trend होगा ही नहीं. People need to follow trend, but at the same time, like we discussed earlier, that how we can make that trend our own. That is what matters.
You should follow the trend, but also with a trend creator.
Yeah. Perfect. Trend setter, trend creator.
Yeah.
Chetan, your point of view, if someone who is pursuing their own job or going through their current profile and उन्हें इस industry में enter करना है, so how should they take inspiration from you?
So सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो इस इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहते हैं, इस फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं, सबसे पहले आप अपना एक जॉनर पकड़ो. The first thing you should do is एक जॉनर होता है हर एक क्रिएटर का कि हाँ ये जो क्रिएटर है ये इस चीज में बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए, पहले खुद का भी अपना जॉनर रखो. बट दूसरे क्रिएटर्स को मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल समवन वांट्स टू स्टार्ट करना चाहता है कि जस्ट उसने स्टार्ट देना है कि अब मैं स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ अपनी कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी, तो मुझे क्या करना है. सबसे पहले दूसरे क्रिएटर्स को देखो कि मतलब वो क्या कर रहे हैं. अपना सबसे पहले एक जॉनर पकड़ो, देन उस जॉनर का अपना एक अच्छा क्रिएटर उठाओ, देखो कि वो क्या क्या कर रहा है. मतलब क्या होता है स्टार्टिंग होता है हर इंसान को चाहिए वो अपना एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर जिसको उसने देखा है, जिसको एज अ टीचर देख के वो मतलब आगे जा सकते हैं इस चीज में. तो मैं ये आगे रखना चाहूँगा कि मतलब अपने जॉनर को पहचाने, अपने टैलेंट को पहचाने. अगर एक चीज वर्क नहीं कर रही है, एक जॉनर वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, तो मतलब रास्ता अलग हो सकता है बट जो मंजिल है वो सेम रहनी चाहिए. तो
That's so great चेतन. आपने एकदम सही मुद्दे पे बात पकड़ी है इस चीज की. एंड आप जैसे ही दुष्यंत, मेनी पीपल मेक शॉर्ट टर्म कंटेंट वीडियोस. व्हाट इज योर मैसेज फॉर देम कि वो शॉर्ट टर्म वीडियो कंटेंट क्रिएशन किस तरीके से इनोवेट करें एंड ट्रेंड सेट करें? जस्ट टू एंड द नोट फास्टर.
जो भी कोई शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियो होती है उसमें एक सस्पेंस होगा ना, तो वो उसका वॉच टाइम बहुत रहेगा. अगर आप कोई ऐसी वीडियो बनाते हो, जब हम शॉर्ट वीडियोस बनाते हैं ना, जब वो एक्सप्लोर में जाती है तो लोग उसको मैक्सिमम 5 सेकंड्स चेक करने के लिए देते हैं कि ये वीडियो चले, हमें एंड तक देखनी चाहिए या नहीं. तो अपने कंटेंट को ऐसा बनाओ कि लास्ट तक वो वीडियो को देखें लोग. और जो न्यू क्रिएटर्स हैं उनका इंटरेस्ट और उनका जो वो डिलीवर करते हैं, जो उनका इंटरेस्ट है और जो उनका डिलीवर करता है, अगर वो मैच हो जाता है ना, तो सबसे बेस्ट यही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब मैं एज अ कॉमेडियन हूँ, बट एज अ मैं नॉर्मल लाइफ में मतलब मैं नॉर्मल ही हूँ. सो मेरे लिए बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आप जैसे हो वैसे दिखते नहीं हो, जैसे आप दिखाते हो. तो आपको ये टेस्ट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है कि
टेस्ट योरसेल्फ इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे. सॉरी, वी हैव अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, ओनली few seconds left. So, guys, there are loads of things that we can talk on, and you guys have been amazing. आप लोगों ने जितनी भी चीजें दी हमें, it is an asset for all of us. So, I would like to give an adjective very quick to each and everyone. Nidhi Pasi, you are ecstatic. So, thank you so much for being a part. Chetan Monga, you are phenomenal with your content. Rugesh, you are beauty with brains, and Dushyant, you are mind-boggling. So, guys, thank you so much for connecting with us. This is an amazing exclusive event in the form of Global Content Summit by Pepper Content, and I'm Gaurav Sipani. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was so
Thank
nice to
you.
talk to all of you.
Thank you.